guys, I have this juicer here to show you. It comes with these different accessories and attachments. It has the auger in here, so you just put these on. It has the spout you pour out of and the spout that gets rid of the excess material. It doesn't go into the juice. So you just clip it on here, push it down. The bottom of this juicer has suction cups on the feet, so it'll stay right where you put it and won't slide around. And then you put the top part on. It has a locking feature back here, so you put it on and twist it, and it will lock on. Like that. And you've got your two containers. So this is great for fruits and vegetables that have juice in them. If they are harder or more fibrous, you want to cut those into smaller pieces so that you can get the most juice possible out of those. This is not suitable for fruit with stones in them or really thick peels. So you want to remove those before you start juicing. So we're going to go ahead and try this out. So here I am trying it out for the first time. It's really, really easy to use. You just put in the fruit from the top and you can see the juice comes out. Has this little tool right here to push it down if you get a lot of fruit in there, and then all of the fiber and extra stuff comes out the side right there. If it does get stuck, you can turn it the other way and it will spin counterclockwise instead. Get everything unstuck, and then you turn it back the other way and continue blending. So I did about a half a pineapple and I got that much juice, and you can see that the stuff that's left over has absolutely no juice left. So you can see that this discarded everything except for the pure juice itself. No seeds, no anything that you don't want in your juice. Just a beautiful cup of fresh squeezed pineapple juice. And it is delicious. When you're done, it's really easy to clean. You just take it apart, rinse it off. And this is also all dishwasher safe. And here's the inside look at the juicer. It has two different filters there. So definitely not going to let any particles into your juice, and it's going to work really great.